Okay, here's my newest rocket stove. It's collapsible, so everything fits into this one can. It consists of 3 cans. The other 2 are smaller. There's a hole in the middle can. The smallest can has a hole all the way through. You connect them together, and the big one sits on top. And this is a little stand. The pot can't sit directly on top of the big can because it would extinguish the fire. So this makes a little X shape to support the pan. And it's very sturdy. Okay, so the principle is it's like an L shape. Air, and you feed the wood in through one hole, and the air gets forced in and sucked in by the heat of the fire, and it cooks very fast and a high temperature, and you'll hear the air rushing in through the through this area once it's started. So let me just get ready. To start it, I usually drop wood in from the top, but you feed, after that, you'll feed the wood in from out here. And to be real fancy, we're going to start with a piece of jute twine and my ferro rod. Let's see. So you'll see it's heating up in there. I'm just going to push the paper in. Yep, we're cooking. And they make almost no ash residue, so it'll cook very hot. Alrighty. See you after lunch.